Hi everyone! Today I will teach you how to modify the original car screen on the Chevrolet Malibu. First, we use tools to pry open the buckles of the silver decorative strip and remove the decorative strip. Next, we unscrew the screws that secure the button panel. Then unscrew the screws that fix the original car screen. Similarly, unscrew the 4 screws fixing the double flash panel. Now we take out the double flash panel. No need to pull out the plug. Then remove the air conditioner button panel and unplug the plug on the back of it. Then remove the volume button panel and unplug the plug on the back as well. Now we unscrew the 4 screws that fix the original car main unit and remove the main unit. Finally, the original car screen is removed and the disassembly is completed. Now start connecting the wires. This is the 4th generation antenna. This is a GPS antenna. This is a USB transmission cable. This is the original car USB adapter cable. This is the video input cable. This is an RCA audio cable. Now connect the canvas box to the power cord. Then connect the canvas serial port to the car radio. Connect the radio antenna to the car radio. Connect the speaker to the power cord. Connect the screen power plug to the car radio. Connect the original car air conditioning plug. Connect the original car power plug. Finally, connect the original car USB plug and the original car radio plug. Start by placing your new car radio in a suitable location. Then install the double flash panel and fix it. Now secure the screws of the new car radio as well. Finally, install the silver decorative strip panel. Now that the installation is complete, you need to set up canvas before using the new car radio. Please follow me. After the setting is completed, the original car air conditioner can be controlled through the screen. Can be controlled using the original car steering wheel buttons. Support original car OnStar emergency rescue. It also has many other functions. The radio automatically searches for local radio stations. Support local music or online music. Support local video or online video. Support DSP sound adjustment. Support local maps or other online maps. Support BT phone and BT music. Support wireless CarPlay Android Auto. You can use the voice assistant here, make calls, listen to songs. Use online maps and other functions on your mobile phone. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you will pay attention.